Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I was outside trying to plant some bulbs and realized that the ground's just too frozen, which just a week ago it wasn't, but it's turned a little cold. Anyway, guess what showed up today? So we are going to unbox this Meta Quest 3 and see if a quasi-senior citizen can figure it out. So you ready? Let's go. Okay, so I know you've probably seen this 100 times already. People unboxing, but let's see if I can even figure out how to get it open. There's some arrows on the side here. So let's do that first. Should make it easier. And slips out. Slips out. Slips out. There we go. Okay. Ooh, very nice. Meta Quest 3. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Okay, so we got two handles. Yay. I was trying my son's over Christmas, and for someone who's not really a gamer, well, don't even know the difference between A, B, or X and Y, so we shall see. When we say video game virgin, that's me. Ooh, very nice. It's interesting to see how this happens. Do you think this is going to fit on this head? I don't know. I guess we'll see. Okay, so it's got some directions here, which is probably good. Directions. It looks like something to do with how to put your glasses on. No sunlight on the lenses. Okay, well that's good. No liquid cleaners. Okay, well, we won't do either of those things. Let's take the film off. Okay, scan to start. Scan to start. Scan with your cell phone. Must be an app. We'll be right back. Okay, so for those with dreads, this might take some maneuvering to get this going. So bear with me here as I sort out my hair to see if I can get this on. And by the way, while we're standing here talking about it, challenges of getting started for us that are out of the norm. Also, you have to scan a QR code and you have to set up an account. You have to download an app. So all those kids that just unboxed it and started playing, for us seniors or a little bit older, we need more details. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we figured it out. It's on the side. Okay. I think we got to do the app. So we'll be back again. Oh, this is really weird. Okay, so wow, in front of me right here, I'm seeing a screen and it's asking me to find the little trigger things. Okay, Better move this chair out of the way. Okay. Okay. Good. I don't have them in the right hands. Okay. We have them in the right hands. We have them in the right hands. Okay. Aim. Yep. Oh, no. Well, it's saying blue, but it got it. Okay, that one. Both at the same time, or what? What do you mean? I'm doing that. Huh. Okay. So A and B. Got it. And then next. Okay. Okay, English. We want English. Yes. Next. Adjust the straps. Well, straps are pretty good. I think we're okay there. Oh, just a minute. Okay, well, I guess we could do this a little bit more wider. Oh, I see. Okay, adjusting straps wider and then lifting it up a little bit. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah. I don't know if it fits right around there, but push the dreads down a little bit. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Oh, right button. Right. Okay, what's next? So on the headset, adjust the headset. Tilt the headset forward or backwards. Comfort. That's pretty good. Okay. Adjust the lenses. Turn the wheels at the bottom of the headset to adjust lenses until this text is clear and comfortable to read. I don't know. Let's see if we put my glasses on. Can you read it better? Oh, maybe a little bit. Maybe we do need to adjust it. Holy, are those ever dirty? Wow. Okay. Anyway, at the bottom, hopefully we don't have it upside down. We don't. Oh, I see. Okay. So there's a little it's clearer, darker, 59. Seems pretty clear. It's pretty clear. 58. It only goes to 58. 61. 63. I feel like I'm at the optometrist and the optometrist is saying, can you see it better now or better now? Only to realize that it doesn't make any difference. It still all looks the same, so better now or not better now? I don't know. I don't know. It looks the same. Okay. Oh boy. $61. No. 61 looks good. Okay. Where's those little knobby things? Well, push it on this one or this one? Well, what up here? It's neither of those. Okay. Okay. All right. How do you connect to Wi-Fi? Enter Wi-Fi details on your headset. Use QR code from MetaQuest mobile app. Let's do that. Add a network. Can they just find a network? Oh, there we go. Okay. How do you put your password in? Oh, hey, that was cool. Did you see that? Oh, no, I guess you guys don't see that. Oh, that makes you dizzy. We're gonna put the password in. You guys can't see my password. Okay, let's see here. Oh. Okay. We're connected. Done. Well, that's exciting. Continue setup in the MetaQuest mobile app. Continue setup. Use the mobile app to complete the next steps. Plug in your headset. Your headset will play a sound when the update is complete. Oh, so we can't even play it? Like 4 minutes until we play it. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this video. The next one is going to be this semi-senior trying to play their first game. Waited with bated breath? I'm sure you are. I kind of look like, oh, I'm just seeing, oh, that's weird. The other little handle thing is like going like this and tapping at me saying like, oh, I want to come and play too. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, I got distracted. So I kind of look like a Sailor Moon or something, or like a bear or a rabbit or something, right? Ooh, look at that. Oh, I can be my own like warrior queen. Ha ha. Alien. Something like that. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see if this technically challenged semi-senior can figure out this MetaQuest 3. See you later.